Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Evening. All right. Good evening. Trying to get everything pulled up here. Let's get it all pulled up. Pulled up, pulled up. What up, Tony? How's everybody doing tonight? We taking any trades? What are we doing? Dun, 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 dun. Sherry, Shoni, Choppy, yeah. Pozo in the house, Pozo in the house. Dude, Tony, I'm telling you, man, that's one of those things, right? Made 1250 times 5. Let's go. Nice. Long, short, what were you trading there? Gold? I'm over here on gold. We're sitting on about $300 in profit. This says 238, but I'm not, there's no $80 in fees. I don't know what's going on with that. That was already there. I don't know if I can refresh it. Maybe it'll go away. You were long in Q2, Coper? Let's see. Yeah, okay, so there we go. The fees went away now. 310. Up 310 on that account. Guys, I'm going to try to tough this out with you guys tonight. I am having some severe back spasms. Like, it's bad. Some severe back spasms, but I'm going to try to tough it out with you guys. Try to tough it out. You got to catch a chicken. Get it. Get that chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Bark, bark. Oh my goodness. Also, we're green. I've been taking some trades. I had to go to my daughter's volleyball game, but up 251 here. Took a trade here, up $98, $95 on gold. So 2 trades on gold on this Buellanox funded. And then on the my funded rapid 25K that we started today, we're up 250. So that's where we're sitting at. I did post the levels on gold in the Discord earlier. You did have 2 triggers so far, and honestly, I don't even know if they won, but I think they did. So this was one level, but it would have missed you by just a hair. And then this level up here was an aggressive one, which depending upon where you got filled and where your stop was, you might have got stopped out on that. It says 14.7. So it would have been very close. Would have been very, very close. Gold's looked pretty bullish tonight so far. So yeah. We only had a 300 point, what up, Trading for Keeps? A 300 point, I don't know, 6 or 7 minutes after open or close, 315 points. Straight up, just ain't right in the house. So it's crazy. Doing good, Lassiper. How you doing? All right, let's go ahead and get a little giveaway fired up. Let's get a giveaway fired up. If you guys are nice to me tonight and you get the subscribers where we want them to be, we might give away more than one account. Let's go. Down 700. That sucks. Keep it small. Keep it small. Keep her small. Oh my goodness, what happened? We're always nice. Yeah, Doug Tito, exactly. Long on gold and long on in M&Q. Let's go. I mean, can't go wrong with the long on gold there, huh? But look what happened this afternoon, guys. Look what happened on this boner candle. Where did it react off of? Look at that. Look at that. Previous day close. Beautiful 42 point pullback on a boner candle straight up. Beautiful. What up, Rocky Mountain? Joom has arrived. He is here. Will NQ come back to 25K? Probably. Punisher in the house. All right, let's see here. What are we looking for overall? Are we bullish or bearish? What do you guys think? We look at the hourly. Oh, did you? Just ain't right. That sucks. Prepare the offerings. Yeah, Sean, I'm trading gold. I'm trading gold. Wow. Wow, guys, I'm actually seeing something here. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing something. Does anybody know? What is this wick here? Anybody know? We'll give you guys a little test here. What's that wick there on the hourly? Yeah, it just ain't right. I probably would have thought the same. Anybody got any idea what that wick there represents on the hourly? What is going on here? Anybody know? Anybody know? News, David? I don't know. That's not what that is, but I'm going to tell you what that represents. Where was that up there at 694? Liquidity or fair value gap? Nope, it's none of those. Where did I mark that out at? Did I not mark that out? Oh, there it is. So this technically is a protected high. Technically protected. What is going on with my computer tonight? You had a really good short in the Asian market, made 1,000. Let's go. What up, Jay Styles? NQ is going to touch the sky. I mean, it might, but I don't know. I go back to that. It just means it's not a good target. That's technically a protected high up there. My computer is like freezing up. Usage, the internet doing okay? Let me check the internet. Internet looks good. What's going on? We're still here. I don't know what's going on with it, but we're still here. You have a Tennessee steam engine for short. You only use it a couple times. Learning how to make whiskey. Ah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my computer there. The internet was just giddy upping, or what happened? I don't know. So technically, this is a protected high. Whether or not that means anything, I don't know. What up, TJP? I'm late. Yeah, Sovereignty. My daughter she had a volleyball game. Jackson also had a baseball game. They won 11-8 the baseball game, and we lost the volleyball game, but Megan did play well. She played well. She played very well. Very, very well. I might switch over to a Bulenox eval. Actually, I think I'm going to. Since I've already made money on this account. I'm going to start working up a short. I'm going to start working up a short here, guys. Thanks, Shoney. Where's Max? He's over here asleep. I just gave him his medicine. Going to start putting on a short here. Get a little starter there at 475. Really. Timbo in the house. Let's get some music going since Timbo's here. Whenever Timbo's here, I gotta put some music on. Gotta put something on when Tim's here. So please explain that level. It's just a protected high. So in the hourly, this wick took out a wick inside an hourly gap. So that's a protected high. So it makes it a bad target. It makes it a high resistance target. It doesn't mean that we can't hit it. It just means that it's not a great target. Here we go, Timbo. I got you right here. Hold on. Let me let you listen to it.
Chicken heads. Chicken heads.
Oh, Timbo loves it. Wait for the chorus. Wait for the chorus. I have no idea, just ain't right. Tastier than a backdoor joint. Not even close. Oh. How do you redeem your free account? I don't know, Jaws. What free account? I'm not sure. When did you win?
Chicken heads.
Let's listen to the girls' part. 24,675. I don't. I'm short.
Outfit, don't even fake the deal. I thought that you had your girl on the light bill.
Talking this and that. Ribs for the Cadillac.
You ran clean, but your gas tank is on me.
I can't help it. Oh, goodness. Francis, good evening. That's right. Guys, this is aggressive short on an eval. You wanted to redeem a free account too? I mean, I don't know who that is. If I open an account, I'll give it to them, but I think I got everybody squared up. I think. Except some of you guys might not have gotten the ones. They're a little, God dang it, they're a little behind sometimes. Oh, I dropped my AirPods. Hold on. Mac's trying to eat them. Woo! Thought you had your girl on the light bill. That's right. Is this two shorts and one cup scenario? It could be. Come here, Maxie. Max is going to come over. I can't pick him up, though. He's moving so slow, y'all. Come here, bud. Daddy, give you a pat. I can't pick you up. I don't want to hurt you. He's going Thursday for a another laser treatment. laser treatment. Hopefully that helps. Sean in the house. What up? Guys, if you haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You know what to do. If you want to be the man, you got to hit the like button. You got to subscribe. Otherwise, you're not the man. You're just some random person. What about this one, Timbo? What about this one?
Hating ass somebody because it's some real ass niggas in this motherfucker. Yeah, nigga, y'all.
Oh, can't play much of that. Sean, Vegas was fun. A lot of fun. Always have a good time in Vegas.
Sipping on some scissor. Sipping on some sipping on some scissor.
There you go. That's all you get. My back's kind of messed up from the plane ride, though. Family programming on this channel. The regular scheduled programming is all messed up. Sean, how you doing tonight? You trading in gold? Been difficult night on gold because it just pretty much went straight up, right? Classic song. That's right. I think I was in high school when this song came out. When did this come out? I had to be in high school. It says it came out in 2000. So I just was out of high school. Can I play the thong song? Yeah, maybe later. Miss K in the house. Yeah, iodine poisoning. He was thinking about it, but didn't take it. I longed it, but didn't hold it. Here, let me show you my executions. I took 1 point. If I can get it to come up there. My stuff's freezing up tonight, guys. I don't know what's going on with it. See, look, I had a little entry right here. Little entry. And I marked out that ledge. It didn't quite get to that one. Look at that little long. Yeah. Big money. I'm trying to get this account to $2,600 as fast as possible. That way, when the payout clears on the other Billinox account, they're right there together. I did get my trader's lunch payout. Yeah, it came in just a few minutes. So, and then I promptly smoked the account the next day on a gold trade. I traded gold during New York. Bad idea. But we got one payout. So now we got to reload and do it again. Got to reload and do it again. What up, Raul? Yeah, my back's killing me tonight, guys. So if you see me like stiffen up, I'm just having a back spasm. I just took some medicine, so hopefully that will help ease it up a little bit. 250 on the day on the Billy for the next 2 days. So let's go, Timbo. You got this. You got this. Miss K, how's your free account coming along? Didn't you win one last week? Tell me you still got that thing and you're working on it. Tell me you still got it. I understand why this thing don't just go on to the next song. Why does it do that? Like, play the entire mix. Play the entire mix. Got to squeeze another payout. Yeah, me too. I want another one. I'm pretty close on my Take Profit Pro account getting back to the daily payout level. We're not too far off on that. $1,628. We had a couple of losing days on it, took it below it, and then we're only about $1,750 away from taking this one to funded. So I'm going to be more careful with that one once I get it funded. I'll keep Timbo's ears fresh for this one, and we won't let you guys hear this. We won't let you hear it. Do I go for more points here, guys? What do you guys think? Do we go for more points than 25? I mean, I do think we can get more than 25. Hey, let's go, Timbo. Congrats. 3 payouts. 2 payouts today and tomorrow. Nice. Or is it the same nightmares? All you got to do is hold. How hard can it be? Z White in the house. Guys, remember exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. We may do multiple tonight. I've missed you guys for a couple of days here in the evening session. I'll reward you if you're here and you support the channel by hitting the like button, by subscribing, all the things. We'll hook you guys up with some accounts. But if you're not a good boy and a good girl, then we're not going to hook you up. Simple. That's how that works. Give away the Alabama joke. We could do the Alabama joke. All right. If any of you guys in the chat are sensitive to lewd jokes, if you don't like it, then mute the stream right now. I'm telling you right now, if you're sensitive, if you're going to be offended easily, mute the stream. I'm about to tell a joke. All right. This joke is sponsored by Sean in the chat. Sean C. All right. It's a dirty joke. I'm telling you guys up front here. It's a dirty joke. I'm telling you. So earmuffs. Good job, Kyle. Earmuffs, guys. Okay. So once there was this family in Alabama. And the daughter comes up to their dad and she says, "Dad, can I borrow the car tonight?" And he said, "Yeah, but you know what you got to do." She says, "Yes, sir." So she gets on her hands and knees and she starts giving him a blowy. She looks up at her dad and she says, "Dad, your thing tastes like shit." And he goes, "That's right. Your brother's got the car tonight." There you go. Thanks, Sean. We just hurt 20 people's feelings. Oh. The looter, the cruder, the better. Let's go. Tempo. Oh, there you go. That's as far as we take it, guys. All right, guys, you can unmute now. You can unmute. If you're from Alabama, Sean apologizes. So, yeah, it is X-rated. See, Golden Eagle's out. He's out. He's out. So, got to follow that up with the first or last. I don't know that we're ready for that yet. You knew that was coming once you heard Alabama? Yeah. Tacker Holmes. I don't know if I can say that out loud. You just tell me the punchline. What did Cinderella do when she got to the ball? Gag? I don't know. That would be my guess. I'm pretty good at those kind of things, so. Oh. Oh, Tacker, that's funny. That's crazy. She choked. Okay. See, I knew a little something there. That's the only joke I know like that, guys. I don't know anything else. It would not have worked so well if you said Michigan. Yeah, we tell those jokes in private typically, you know, or I've told it on stream before. It's probably been like 6 months, but I did tell that on stream before. Oh, we lost 5 viewers. Uh-oh. We took a win. We told a lewd joke. We lost 5 viewers. Let's go. All right, we just binked 25 points. I just faded Husk. He was long over there. He's still long. He's still long. Dell got excited about the first or the last. Yeah. I wonder where Dell is. Did Epstein tell me this joke? No. I don't remember where I heard it. I really don't remember. Keep filtering. What up, P-Long? They probably unsubbed. No, we gained one of those. They probably just got, you know, just left. I don't think they were offended. All right, Timbo, what do you think about this one? This one's got to be a song you like. You got to like this one.
Some niggas still hating on shouting, but they man, got a couple fans that
That's a local artist. That's a local artist. Yeah, that was English. Trap music. All right. Rubber Band Man. A little T.I. Let me find something that you'll know. Hold on. Let's see what you might know. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, I know you know this one. Might run poker on Thursday. Let's go. I got a couple of things I'm doing on Thursday, so I'll try, but I don't know if I may have to be on mobile. I'm going to short every pop. 3 seconds of Van Halen will be squared. I'll get Van Halen in a minute. Here we go. I know you know this one. Why is it not playing?
Yo, VIP. Let's kick it.
There you go. I'm going to short the 500s, guys. Actually, I might give this a little more room to the upside here. I might short the 525 instead. You remember that clown? Have you seen the Jim Carrey version of this music video? Where it was on Saturday Night Live. That's so hilarious. Look at Jim Carrey.
What I do off my laces. This kind of thing happens every show. Yo, I gotta learn how to tie a bow.
Jim Carrey is hilarious. Get old Jim Carrey. When I was younger, people used to say I looked like Jim Carrey. I'm not so sure. Maybe, maybe not. Definitely not now. I was in high school during that show, probably. I was in high school 94 to 98. 94 to 98. Jerome Powell? No, I haven't seen that one. All right, let me see what kind of Van Halen song I can find for Timbo since it's his birthday. I want to be honest, I don't know if I know too many Van Halen songs. You had to record it on VCR? Dang. What's a good Van Halen song? Jump. They're before my time, I think. $80-20 strategy works very well. What's that? Oh, Francis, you're talking about going from 80 to 20? Levels from 80 to 20? Oh, I guess I have heard this. Just for Timbo, we're going to get a copyright strike.
And nothing gets me down. You got it tough.
They won't mind, you think? Pound Cake, Unchained. Just say I got permission? Nah. I don't. There we go. A little bit of a lower high put in here. Man, I'm kind of, I mean, not really regretting the fact that I got out of the short, but I do like this to move lower. Afro Man, Lemon Pound Cake. I know who Afro Man is, but I don't know if I've seen that. Yeah, Timbo, they'll just delete that section of my video. I'll just go in there and delete it. No big deal. I just go and delete it. Or we'll delete the video altogether. Can't play too much of it because their AI will shut you down. All right, 9 o'clock here. Let's see what we get. Let's see if gold offers us something. Let's see if gold gives us an opportunity. Yeah. He made it a music video about the cops raiding his house. Oh. All right, see if we get a dip here on gold, if it gives us a little pullback opportunity. Afro Man lawsuit was amazing. I actually haven't listened to some rock music in a while, so I'll probably leave this on for a little bit. What up, Son of Wall Street? I don't know if I want to buy this first level on gold at 45.45. I feel like it's been tested. It is a really good bounce spot, but I feel like if we get through there, it's a long way down. So it's also not even back to that level yet. ES holding up here at 66.63 for now. Bouncing off that EMA there. I don't even know what one that. I think it's the 21. If you guys aren't in the giveaway, hit the like button, subscribe, exclamation point MM in the chat. There'll be multiple giveaways tonight, most likely. Yeah, Kastalik, I've taken two. I've taken two trades. I took this one here, but just for 1 point. And then it's really the only one that triggered. You haven't really had any other opportunities yet. Like I said, you could buy here at 45.45, or you can maybe wait for the 45.41. The problem I have is it's a long way down to your next level. So if it doesn't bounce there, you're kind of in trouble. You can see it's already, this level has been already tested once, twice, 3 times. And then we kind of bounced up there. Got to hit the likes. But, I mean, I'm not saying it's not going to work. It might. I might still take it. I don't know. Because here's the thing. Here's like what I'm looking at, right? What we have here you have kind of a clear trend line. So theoretically, if it breaks this 5-minute trend line, it's probably going to go to here to 45.34. So even though that's not a ledge, that's probably a better spot to buy than the 41 level. So yeah, I'm watching it. We're going to see what happens. I don't know what you mean there. Just ain't right. But look at it squeeze. Look at it squeeze. Let's see here. Let's find something to watch. I have no clue. I don't know. Just ain't right. Maybe some kind of prize. See how bullish. I mean, it's so bullish here. You can almost just press the buy button here on gold. That's annoying. Gold's a ripping. About to create a new ledge here. Maybe it was from Alabama. It could have been. It could have been. Very well could have been. Maybe. We'll see if gold creates a new swing here. That'll give us an opportunity. We will probably take. Okay. Happy birthday, Bear Trader. I think it's Timbo's birthday. Happy birthday, Timbo. Neath the stains. I may try a short here again. I'm going to try it. A Cleveland steamer. Do we have another birthday in the house? Maybe. I'm not in love with the short here, but I'm going to take it. I would have liked a more of a push up, but I think this is okay. Got a little trend line break here. Nothing crazy. How much longer do we have on this 5 minute? A minute? A little over a minute? Guys, I don't know what's going on with my stuff tonight. It's freezing up. It's annoying. It's annoying. Music was a little too loud. Do I add at 450? It's going to be very aggressive if I do. I don't think it's horrible, though. I'll do it. If it bounces, we'll add. Where's my stop, you might ask? Well, stop's going to be up there above the 547. So, yeah. A couple $100. Yeah, Timbo turned 21 years old today. 21. 21 years old for Timbo. All right, I am going to take this ledge on gold, just so you guys know. I'm going to place an order and take it if it comes back. 4564.1. I'm going to place the order there. And we'll see if we get tagged in on it. Almost double that for you today, Rocky Mountain. Let's go. So I got the order right there so you guys know that's a new swing that's about to be created in about 5 seconds. I'm going to take that one. As long as it triggers before, say, 10 p.m. Not be true. Might get tagged in on my ad here. And I've got the next ad will be at 75. I think I already have the 525 up there. There we go. What up, Lucky Mon? Took a little long scalp on what on gold? Yeah, it just ain't right. I'm short. Very aggressive short. Little long ski. I don't hate it. I'm layering in shorts. Layering those in. Just layering in some shorts. What up, Adam? You're out already? I mean, I don't hate a long. I mean, like we do got a little wedge here. You could say this is a bull flag. Look, could say that. Guys, I don't know what's going on with my charts tonight. They are freezing up. You guys seeing that? You guys hear about Oliver Anthony's wife divorcing him? I guess that happened a while back after he kind of got a little famous with his song, and she divorced him. She wanted the monies. Wanted the monies. At least that's what he said. There's two sides to every story, obviously, but two sides to every story. Who knows who to believe? I don't know. Here we go, Timbo. You can't hate this one.
Out of his rock bottom, sitting on a low bar stool. Paid my tag, put me in a cab. Didn't have to.
There you go. You can't hate that one, Timbo. We might get tagged in on gold, guys. Get a little pullback here. That's a little Larry Fleet, Morgan Wallen. If you didn't know. It's so funny. Come on, push it down here. Retest those 400s. The only country worth listening to is either David Allen Coe. We definitely can't listen to that on the stream. Or Hank Williams Jr. Yeah, I don't mind some Hank Williams. David Allen Coe, you definitely can't listen to that here. Guys, if you're not in the giveaway yet, get in the giveaway. Exclamation point MM. Not decided what account we're going to give away yet. We're going to figure it out. Oh, yeah, I know. I've heard David Allen Coe a lot. Like, you know, back in the day. Funny guy and all. I'll pull the gold trade over if we get tagged in. I feel like we will. I feel like we will. But I also want to be able to see this trade. Man, my Quan Tower is freezing. It's not my whole computer, it's just my Quan Tower. I might need to reset it. I did leave it up when my computer went to sleep earlier, and it doesn't like that. Coke can! Exclamation Coke can in the chat. I did, Tim. Thank you. I had a good vacation. Little vacation. Took a couple of days off. Come on, gold. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, gold. Get in there, gold. Come on, nasty girl. Nasdaq. Get down there to the 425s. Rip this down. After tomorrow, you have a 5-day weekend. Let's go. 5-day weekend. Can't complain about that. After I get out of this Quan Tower trade, I might reset the Quan Tower. In at 70, out at 73. Let's go. Nice job. Going to celebrate your wife's retirement. Awesome. Where's she retiring from, Tim? Is it a school teacher? What's she do? Just a shot in the dark. And also, Tim, the question is, are you retired or is she just retiring only? Guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and reset my Quan Tower. It is just not acting right. Let me reset it. I know I'm in a trade and I got orders out, but come on, man. It's being annoying. After 30 years on the same job, she works for the local paper. Nice. Oh, come on. It's freezing up so bad, it's like not even letting me. Trying to reset it. All right, here we go. You retired once already, didn't like it. Some people don't. Some people do. Come on, gold, get down there. Tag me in and then bounce. Quan Tower had an update, so I'm just doing the update. It'll reset in a minute. What up, Jan? Oh my goodness. 350 bucks, one micro, nice. Maybe it is my computer. This thing is acting crazy. Said it reconnected, but if it disconnects me, guys, I'll be back. I don't know if it did. All right, we're still here. I'm trying to Trying to reset Quantower, but it's not doing it. Everybody loves. All right, finally. What's going on with that thing? Did Pine give my fix? He did. He did, but he made me swear to secrecy and not say nothing, so I will DM you, but you can't say nothing. You know? I'm here, Jim. I'm here. My computer's acting wild tonight. I don't know if it's a computer or if it's Quantower. I don't know what it is. It does seem like everything is kind of freezing. I might need to restart everything. A little bounce there on the NQ. Trend line here. What size accounts have I been using? Mostly 50Ks. But I do trade the 150s as well. Kind of created another higher one here. I might take that one, but I'm going to only look for like 1 point if I do that. Think you getting a little push. I'm okay with it. Go Dogs, GFL. Top of the tan line. Yeah. Connections back on the old Quantower. You reverted Quantower back to the former version, can no longer use custom wave files. That's interesting. I would say I'd go with Take Profit Trader personally. All right, we're back. No ads or anything there. We get tagged into that gold trade, I'll pull that back over. Position the orders to the control panel, the one that you have under the account number. It just appeared when I did the update. It just appeared when I did the update. I really don't know. I wish I had better info for you on that. But I don't. What time is it? 9:25. All right. Yeah, it just showed up after I did the update. So I have no idea. All right, might get tagged in on this first little. I'm taking a really small ledge here for 1 point. It might be. It's a little dangerous. I'm not gonna lie. It's a really tiny ledge. I'm gonna take it for 1 point. We're so bullish. I mean, I would think that we still get a bounce there. So bullish, just not doing it. Just not getting me there. Do we leave? I don't know. Do we leave equal highs on gold? I don't know if that matters. I do think we could push back up into like that 500 level potentially here on the NQ, but who knows? It may not do that until top of the hour if it wants to do that. I'm okay with it if it does. I'm okay with it. We got our ads out there. If it wants to tag us in on them, it does. It just tags us in. Man, gold's being tricky today. It's not wanting to tag us in. You did the update but don't have it. I don't know if it's because, are you on the beta version? I think I'm on beta. I think I'm on the beta version. And well, it is. I was going to say it's only on DX feed, but this is actually just rhythmic. So I'm not sure, Zach. Not sure. You may got the stones to short gold. What up, Jip Smith? Getting a little volatility here on gold. Might be at the 930. Gold breaks. This is tricky. I don't know if I love taking this trade at 930, to be honest with you. But we'll give it a try. All right, here's 930 in 3 seconds. Didn't really do anything. Come on, get it down there. Tag us in. Give us an opportunity. Doesn't want to give us the opportunity. NQ play is finally pushing down. Or are we going to acquire the target number 1 on the NQ here? Really looking flaggy on gold here. Bull flag. Just trying to be patient and finding spots to get in on gold. Don't want to just jump in. Want it to be a level that makes sense to me. So, all right, we're about to be out on our first one here, potentially. On the NQ. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, guys. That literally just ticked us. Pretty sure low on that candle is 25. Yeah. 24,425 is the low. It is the low. Let's put this down here. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Thank you. Yeah, this is in Q room. We have a protected high on the hourly. That's why I'm short biased. I believe that we're going to need to run the low on the hourly before we're able to retake that high. Now, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So what I'm looking at here is this high is protected. So that would mean that we need to rerun the low of this candle down here at the 214s before we theoretically take out the 540s. I could be completely wrong on that, but that's my thought process here on the shorts. So I'm bearish bias right now. If we break the protected high, that's very bullish. Gold's just going without us. Being kind of an annoyance right here at my take profit on the first one. Bull flag break on gold, back to the upside. She's teasing me. Come on, Nasdaq, be a sweet girl. Just be a sweet girl. Oh man, gold's just ripping. 45.84s. It's going without me. What up, Cosmo? Gold is just rapping. You could try a short on gold at 46.03. You could. How's that going to do me dirty like that, guys? It's just going to bounce after directly hitting the first TP. No, it hit it directly, Cosmo. I guess just because of the spread, it didn't get filled. Did not get filled. It hit it to the tick. But we kind of trust it, so we trust it. Daily on GC looks bullish. Yeah, I'm looking for longs. I only long GC. Only longs for me. If we don't get tagged in by 10 o'clock, I'll probably take the trades off. Oh, it's Tim. Okay, cool. Let's go. Tim, hopefully you have hit the like button and you have subscribed. And that would make you the man. That would make you demand. Why short gold 4603? I mean, for a small reaction. It's if you wanted to. I don't short gold. I only long. But we scroll out a little bit. Kind of got a clear little area here where you could just get a small reaction. It's kind of like a psych level. So I'm just saying, like, maybe a 4 or 5 point reaction, potentially. I'm not taking it, but you could. We'll put it on here and see what it does. If you put a line on the chart, it magically has become support resistance. Oh, you didn't see your name go across the screen? Yeah, it must be a private account. It does that on a private account. This thing's still putting in lower highs and lower lows here, so looking good. Looking okay there for my continued push lower. Generating a little trend line liquidity here to the upside, potentially. It might decide to take that at 10. We'll see. A little dierte. I don't see an SMT. Let me zoom out a little bit and see. Oh. Yeah, I don't see an SMT. I don't see one yet. Breaking her heart. Ashley takes trades in the house. Got to be really patient tonight, guys. The ATR on the 2-minute is 12. It's really sluggish. It's very dead, Punisher. Ventura Boulevard. Look how difficult it is just to get 20 points here. Had a good trip. Had a good trip. I was going to do like a vlog while I was there, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. I just didn't feel like doing it. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to enjoy my vacation. So that's what I did. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Then it bounced. Look, it did me like that again. Look, the low of this candle is 410.25. My TP's at 410. But yeah, I had a really good trip. It was fun. A lot of walking. Obviously didn't sleep much, but that's okay. We'll make up for the sleep. Live for the moment. That's right. And the thing is, I chose the 410 because I kind of wanted to do like 50% of this wick. I did just eyeball it. 37 would have been like 18. Yeah, I eyeballed it. You send the bear power. Let's go. I feel like I might should move it down now. Do I go break even here? Hmm. I was up 40 points there on that entry. I'm not a fan of this candle. I think I might just take this off and look for this entry higher. Although, what time is it? Maybe we'll see how I react in the next 2 minutes. They're watching me. Just passed another eval. Let's go. FNQ, yeah. The bulls punched you. They're trying to. What up, happy kids? You missed the GC? Yeah. I only taken 2 trades. Want to see how we react if ES holds below 62, 63 here. I still feel okay about it. It's printing higher highs and higher lows since 6. I don't know. What chart are you looking at? Maybe we're looking at different charts. I mean, yes, I see what you're saying here. I see what you're saying here, right? But what are we doing the most recently? Like, this is what I'm looking at. Pushed up into a order block. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Plus, on the hourly, this is just my take on the market, right? On the hourly, we have a protected high. So you can see we have a wick inside a fair value gap on the hourly. And so this bull push up here swept that wick and created a swing, which makes this wick protected. That means this is very high resistance. Very high resistance to get through. So for that reason, I'm kind of bearish. I think we need to push lower to be able to get the energy to get back up there. But yeah, that's kind of the way I'm looking at it. But you can see it differently, and that's fine, right? I mean, 2 people look at the markets. One's going to see it one way, one's going to see it another. Completely normal. And we both could be right? We both could be right. I could still print on my shorts, and you could still print on your longs. Just how it goes. Just how it goes. But yeah, I mean, I could see what you're saying too. Watched the pre-sunset and then went for some shitty pizza. We know which way Bear thinks it's going. That's the beautiful thing. The beautiful thing about Nasdaq. You have 2 different ideas and both could be right. Now, here's the deal. If we close below here and we don't hit my target yet, I will move my stop down to here at 440. Now, I would not be shocked. I wouldn't be shocked if, like, at the top of the hour, if we kind of make it down into, like, the 380s, and then at the top of the hour, you get a Hulk smash boner candle right back up. I would not be shocked. The reason why I'm thinking that we run this is because this is kind of trendline liquidity. It's not that clean. But if we're going to run it all, we should run down to the 380s, right? Theoretically. But we do have generated liquidity above that we're eventually going to run. I 100% think so. It just might be London. It might be top of the hour at 10 o'clock. I don't know. Let's put us a little line here. Close below that line, and we're going to go stop down to 440. You can see how tricky NQ is at night. Hard to trade a market moving on news. Yeah, you're not wrong. It's been a tricky day. It's been a tricky week and a half. Been pretty tricky. All right, I'm going to move my stop to here. I don't want to see this push back up above like 430. I want it to just go to my target. This is moving dreadfully slow, guys. You really have to trust your trades this time of night. I'm probably just going to take this off if it pushes back above 420 area. Maybe take my 20 points or 30 points. I know it's going to hit this, but man, come on. Testing the old patience. Maybe on this new 5-minute candle here, it'll go. You trade 95% of a momentum. Yeah, there's like no follow through. ATR's high, volatility's high, but the follow through is not there. So if you're taking breakouts or breakdowns, very, very difficult to trade. Very difficult. All right, I'm taking it, guys. I'm taking my 30 points there. I think it still goes, but taking it off. Up $134 on that account. 2 trades. So what I would be looking for if I was thinking about a long, I probably want to see this run down into the 380s. And then from there, you kind of got a lot of generated liquidity up. So maybe by the time the top of the hour, we can kind of get through here. And then after the top of the hour, I think you might get that boner candle back up that way. That would be what I would be looking for. So, trade line on gold from 815, one fake break. Yeah, gold does hold trend lines really well. I mean, gold is just grinding and grinding and grinding right back higher. 4603.9. We'll see what happens up there. Let's see if we get like a couple of point reaction off that level, maybe like 5 points. Also kind of coming into the top of the hour there. Looks like it's about to hit my target. I don't know, I wasn't willing to give it any more time. Was not willing to give that any more time there. Yeah, dumb money for sure. I mean, if we got any kind of pullback at all, I'm be looking long, but it's not getting it. Just not getting it, and we're coming up on 10 p.m., so about to be outside of my trading window on gold there. Guys, if you're not in the giveaway, !MM, hit the like button, subscribe. We're going to be doing the giveaway here in a few minutes. If we can get to 9,600 subs, which is 25 more, we'll do multiple giveaways. Why did you not change the gold contract to M6? I don't know. Did I not? Is it not on there? Has the gold roll? Does it roll the same time? I have no idea. I'm sorry, GC. M6. Let me see what the difference is. Hasn't rolled yet. Okay. Yeah, that was a good movie. I don't know why it does that. $46.31. Hasn't rolled. Yeah, I wasn't sure. And say I don't know. I'm really tempted to try a little short on gold at the 46.03.9. I'm very tempted to try that. Yeah, I usually roll. It will usually tell me when to roll, and I didn't see anything on it yet. I thought maybe I missed it. Reacting off that 4,600 level there on gold. Five minutes left. Everything rolled on Trade of It but gold. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Well, yeah, whenever we need to roll, we'll roll. We shall roll. All right, guys, I'm canceling the gold orders on my funded accounts over here. I had the orders out on the fundeds, but I'm canceling those. Canceling those orders only on, now I still just have them out on eval. I have the orders out on eval. Oh, man. What do you guys think about a short on gold? No bueno? No bueno. I might try it. Oh, I might try it. My lump says don't. I got an idea, my lumps. We can try it on eval. Just looking for 1 point. We'll try it on the eval. Why not? Short to 24.10. On what? Here we go, guys. Oh, you're talking about over here? Yeah. Here comes my target finally. There are no sellers. Not even an eval paper? I don't have paper. I don't have paper accounts. Just long it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do, but I might still try the little short. I mean, just for 1 point, what could go wrong? What could go wrong, right? What could go wrong? Quan Tower? I don't have paper accounts on Quan Tower. I never created them. I don't even know how you do it. I know you can. I just don't. I've never done it. Just degen it in the background. Noted. Noted. Hey, finally hit my target after I just took it off. I took it off 10 points higher, but like, man. Yeah, probably right, my lumps. It's built in. I don't know. I don't see it. I don't have one. I don't have one. There we go, guys. After I get out, I tell you guys, like, I think it's going down to the 380s. I got, a little impatient with it. Got a little impatient. Coming for that wick. Yeah, I was looking at that wick almost as like a news type deal. I'm only one drink away. A little bit of a death candle on gold here. I'm not really a huge fan of it, to be honest. It's kind of dirty there. That's pretty dirty on gold there. I'm taking the back door at 93. Oh. Pretty big wick there. Second, you decide to get long NQ dumps. Well, Blackout News, why was you? I mean, do you? But why were you long it? I don't know. I don't like the longs there. Now, I think Blackout News. I think now could be the long. Now could be the long. Sweep of liquidity. If we go kind of V shape here, then I don't mind this. Mistakes. If we get V shape through that gap, I think that'd be really good. All right, tagged in long on gold here, looking for 1 point. It's not ideal, but we'll take it. Taking the back door here, little back door action. I think I was 1 tick away from being filled there. The trend line's no joke. Yeah. That's not a good reaction. That's not the bueno reaction we were looking for. You was pre-running at 426. Oh, I got you. Well, we might get wrecked on this gold trade. Let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance. To what I see. Not really getting a V-shaped reaction off of NQ yet. Not yet. What up, Matt Rad? Giving away multiple accounts. Potentially, Michael, if we can get to 9,600. Potentially. Potentially. Michelle in house. I'm going to add 2 at this level here. See what it breaks my average down to. And we may kill this. I won't eat more than like 2,000 on this eval. Obviously, I prefer it just to bounce, but going to keep an open mind as well. That's actually a pretty good candle if it can kind of get back above like the 90 level here. It's a pretty good candle. He said to do the draw already. Well, listen, I'm doing my best. We'll do it in a moment. I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade already. I'm having to be ultra patient. I'm looking back at this entry and I don't know why I took it, because this is not even a swing. Why did I take that? I don't know what I was doing. That's not even a swing, and I took that. Where's the higher highs? Let's go, iTrades. Or am I always trading Asia when I can? Michelle, I'm long gold. I'm long gold. I'm just looking for 1 point. How hard can it be? I took this trade and I'm looking and I'm like, why did I take this? It's not even a swing here. So I don't quite know why I took it. Why did I place an order there? That was stupid. It's not even a setup. Not even a setup, guys. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe for me if you're not yet subscribed. So I don't mind it just pushing up and getting me out, but if it doesn't, we're going to add 2 down here and try to work our way out of it. You just slap Ruben upside the head. Wha-pow! Give him a little noggin knock. Give him a little noggin knock. So, all right, let's see where this puts our average. If it tags us in. This is a setup area. NQ moving decently. Yeah, it's been slow, but still. Yeah, Kyle, it could be. We'll see what happens. Oh, darn it. Need that up there. $93 to $84. It should make our average like 87, 88. All right, I'm going to need a decent bounce here pretty quick. Not really going to look for like a bunch of points. I just want it to kind of get me out of it. Gotcha. Yeah, probably getting myself in trouble here. Taking the trade outside the zone. Outside, not really a setup. And not really the time that I like to take the trade either. So, but we'll see if it can pop back up here. New 5-minute candle. See if it pushes. Hey, let's go, Lucky. No in the photo. Come on, squeeze this thing up. Squeeze it up. You're calling the bulls. Let's go. Get them on there. Come on, bulls. Do your job. Nasdaq still pushing down there, 350s. Yeah, still didn't hit the low. It did hit the open, though. What's the EMA's cross? 10, 20, 50? No, I have the 9, the 21, and the 50. Not looking good here. Got a new 15-minute candle in about 2.5 minutes. I think I'm going to go, I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to hold this or not. It could just dump. I mean, it could. It could. It could just start squeezing too. ES pushing down to the 43s. Where is the overnight low? 66, 41, 50. Yeah, it's about to be there. ES is right there at the low. Just trying to be patient with it because I know as soon as I take it off, it's just going to go. As soon as I take it off, it'll just rip higher, and then I'll have FOMO. So let's just give it a moment. That was kind of dirty. I was green for a moment there. Will I shotgun? Probably. Come on, get it up there. Let's go. I'm going to take that one off for a loss. And let's see if this can squeeze up. I'm actually going to take both of those off. Let's see if it can squeeze up. Just going to protect myself a little bit here. What up, MSG? Let's see if it can go. Really, I should have waited because depending upon how this candle closes, will kind of be a good or a bad sign. If this closes above the high of this candle without making a new low, it's going to be a really good sign. But it's okay. Now it goes. I knew that was going to do that. I even said, I'm like, as soon as I take one off, it'll squeeze. That's how it does me, guys. That's how it does me. All right, if you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let's go. Let's get in the giveaway explanation point MM in the chat. We're at 80 subscribers, 95, 80. Can we squeeze a few more here, guys? Climbing. I was really over leveraged there. I don't know. The entry was stupid. This is not why. I don't know why did I do that? I'm still trying to figure that out. Like, why did I put an order there? I don't know. What up? I'm going to trade. That was so dumb because, like, had I not got in this entry here and I actually put it in here where it's supposed to be, we're out already. We're out already with very little drawdown. It is the best code. Let's go. That was dumb. Dumb. Very dumb. Doing pretty good. Gunna's trade is doing good too, I'm sure. Exactly. Don't be stupid. That's what I was. That's what I was. It was a dumb entry. I don't know what I was doing there. I have no idea. I still can't figure it out. I don't hate me taking the 2 off there that I added. Basically break even. Just taking a little bit of a loss, but it's all good. No more pain. And a long week when you entered. Yeah, I know. So I entered on the back door, but what I'm not figuring out is I normally only enter on a ledge. This is not a ledge. A ledge is a 3 candle setup. This would not be a ledge until this candle closed higher than the low. So I don't know what I was doing. I don't know why I thought that was a ledge. I don't know. I'm not sure what I was doing there. I don't know. June made me do it. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. So now you see we created another ledge here, which is a really good sign now. It's a really good sign. So if this will hit our target, we will still make a little money on this trade. A little money. Not a lot, but a little. Would I say that I was going out on a ledge? Looks like it. It looks like it. I could target higher on this. 97 would be a good target. Regulated betting by the banksters. Oh, goodness. Guys, I dropped a poll in chat if you want to vote on it. If I was a little more patient, I would have gotten out of that already. I would have already been out of that with profit, but it's all good. All right. We have the gap to fill in here. We do still have a gap, but I don't know. You still have... You do have an SMT down here at the lows as well. Bullish SMT. But who knows whether that holds. All right, guys. Looks like we're going to be doing a shotgun. Shotgun means that I'm going to close the giveaway and then I'm going to reopen it for 2 minutes and you'll have a chance to get in. I'm going to reopen it for 2 minutes. I want this gold traded shotgun. Shotgun this thing up. Shotgun this thing up, gold. Come on. Do we just eat this loss or what? Rotund, I don't know if it'll go down or not anymore. I'm not sure. It is kind of bear flagging here. It's kind of bear flagging. 200 likes for the shotgun. We're only 1 like away. We need 17 more subs for shotgun. For multiple shotguns. Nom started timing people out before the shotgun, did he? We got another ledge here, guys. I'm going to be aggressive on this ledge. If we get it. You need Advil? Me too. I took some Tylenol earlier. Or a Valium. Everyone gets a ban. That's right. Oil is above the VWAP. Come on, rip it up. Rip it up, old gold. Do me a favor. I mean, you go when I'm not in the trade. At least go when I'm in the trade. All right, guys. What do we got? 95.83. Got 205 likes. I guess we'll do it. We're only going to do a second giveaway if we get to 9,600, though. Just so you know. On your marks. Get set. 2 minutes to enter. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Now. Squeeze it, gold. 1 minute, 36 seconds, guys. Come on, gold. Let's take it. Let's go. If I see... Do I just take the break even on gold? I don't know if I do. Still think it goes. One minute, guys. Trying to decide if I want to just take gold off here or not. Break even. 40 seconds. $20 seconds. Exclamation point MM in the chat. 10 seconds. Come on, man. Why you got to make it difficult? And the winner is Zenith Futures. Is Zenith Futures here? Zenith Futures. Where you at? Zenith Futures. ¿Dónde está? You had that TV back in the day? Me too. You identify as Zenith Futures. Zenith, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Screenshot your YouTube channel showing me that you're logged in. Include your My Funded Futures email address that you use. 50K rapid account is yours. Congratulations. This is annoying, guys. I'm trying to hold this trade. I'm trying not to paper hand it. Going to a Zenith store as a kid. They had big carpeted tiered showroom with TVs everywhere. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, if we can get some more subscribers, we'll do another giveaway. We just need 17 more. What you guys want to do? You're short NQ. Let's go. I don't hate the short. Silver Dragon GC down, I think. Maybe. I don't love the wicks on the top of the 5-minute candles there, to be honest, but I guess we should have taken the break even. Yeah, no problem, Zena. Thank you for being here. Maybe we should have taken the break even. Oh, here she comes. Come on, Silver, bounce it. I don't even have Silver pulled up. Bounce it, Silver. Trying to work myself out of this here situation. I mean, I could just eat the $600. It's not the end of the world. Ask Tom to buy a micro. All right, let me see. Let me tell Tom to get his wiener out. 1 micro penis. Okay. He said it's already out. Oh. Poor Tom. Poor Tom. All right, tagged in here. Out of the first ad. Out of the second ad. Oh, didn't really make any money on that exchange though, huh? So now we need like 89. Yeah. Something like that. Everyone's your first My Face friend. Yeah, it was Tom. Yeah, Kyle. I remember that now. It's 50-50. Thank you, anyone. Just not go down now. It was, the thing is, it did go down for a while there. I mean, it went from 495 to 350. That's 140 points. So is anyone able to trade M&Q? Looks like some issues on TradingView. Anybody able to trade M&Q on TradingView, guys? The whole U.S. market's rigged. You didn't short the top. Why didn't you? Kind of mad at myself for how I've managed this gold situation here. Should have had 2 winners, 2 easy winners. And now I'm trying to fight to just get back to break even. I'm just going to take it off, guys. I'm going to eat the loss. 175. It was too easy. And I just, you know, that entry right there screwed this entire thing up. It screwed up 2 other entries that were easy winners. This is an easy winner here. Created a new swing, easy winner there. So instead of being up, you know, it probably a good $1,200-1,300 we're down 175. It's just dumb. So just passed an apex eval on the way down. Let's go. Put TP at first. Accidental entry. Yeah, Kev, I could, but the problem is, I don't know. I don't know. Not to mention, I could have held these ads here. I could have held these for some profit. But it's all good. Maxi's good. He's just laying there. Where's he at? He's not in here? I didn't see him. Maxi. I don't know where he went. It's okay. We kept the loss small. I mean, 175 is not the end of the world, right? Not the end of the world. I don't know where he is. He was in here. Did he leave out of here? Where's he at? Maxie. I don't see him. Let me go find him. Let me go find him right quick. Hold on. He might have left out of the room. I don't know. Oh, there he is. He's over there. He's just not laying on his bed. I don't know. He decided to lay against the wall, I guess. He wasn't answering me, though. Excuse me, guys. All right. I don't know what we do on gold here. We try to find another spot. No long if Max is quiet. That's true. That is true. Stopped out at 378. Oh, that sucks. Could potentially short here on NQ. Very low, but we did kind of generate some trend line liquidity there. Shocking. Guys, if you want another giveaway, then we need to get some subscribes going. See if we can get some subscribes going. Wow, look at these. Look at gold squeeze now. Look at gold squeeze, guys, after I got out of that trade. Back to my original entry. It's all right. Back to the original entry. Yeah, I did paper hand it though, so I can't really blame gold. Can't really blame it. It's my fault. Like I said, I just didn't manage that trade very good. Gold tonight is by the dip. Yeah, 100%. 100%. By the El Dipo. Guys, we only need 15 more subs. We can do another giveaway. Just 15 more. Hey, back to green, guys. Back to green. Just took a little scalper gold. Scalper gold long. $15 in the green. Let's go. I don't know. This is an area on the NQ where I could see this maybe continuing a lower for a little bit. Oh, darn it. I didn't mean to do that. I mean, we're back to like 50% of this move here. So maybe one more little manipulation leg lower here, and you could maybe look for long. The problem is, like I said, this high up here is protected. This high is protected. That was my sole purpose for being bearish tonight, because that high is protected. What happened to Iran's response? It's blank? Rocky Mountain? I don't know. Let me make sure I got no orders out on gold. We're just going to call it a wash on gold tonight. Unfortunately, we should be up like significantly, 1,400 bucks at least, but mismanagement, entering a trade when I wasn't supposed to. I don't know what I was doing there, but not upset about it. It's what it is. It's not the end of the world. Charges tolls for the Strait. U.S. closes all bases in the area. All sanctions lifted. No restrictions on missile program. Yeah. Maybe I'm just blind. Huh. Oh, that's what they're saying. They won't end the agreement. Now gold's trying to squeeze it up. Gold approaching that high again. Wow. Gold just blasted. Blasted. My way or the highway? Yeah, we'll see. The most humble billionaire. You mean hundredaire. True, Jim. Oh, there's my P&L for tonight on this account that we were trading. I did hit those two gold trades that I was trying to fight my way out of over here. I forgot I had the orders set out on this account, and this account actually called it. This is what the P&L should look like on the other account. And but of course it doesn't. And then the My Funded Futures account up 251 for tonight. And then of course this DGen account over here, 15 bucks. What are you going to do? All right, Zenith, appreciate you. Price is too slow. Yeah, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me tonight. I will be back tomorrow morning at 9:15. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you want to help support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe on your way out. Also, use my coupon code. That's a thing. Myth for Apex, MYTH, MM for everything else. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but then
All right, for those of you that are still here, exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the extra giveaway. See how I snaked you guys? 2 minutes. You got 2 minutes. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you're still here. If you're not still here, you just missed out. If you didn't listen to the outro song, I don't know what to tell you. So if you're still here, exclamation point MM in the chat. Hey, you never know what's going to happen, right? You got to stick around until the stream is closed out. I snaked you. Got about half of you. Hey, Blackout News, you got to hang around. If you're not here to enter the giveaway, I don't know what to tell you. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Only 16 people in that giveaway right now. Really good chance. Really good chance. Really good chance. 1 out of 20 opportunity? Come on. $30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Look at Room hanging out until the end. All right. You enjoy the music? Nice, see? Got you into the giveaway. It got you in there. 10 seconds. Man, gold just swept the high and just dumped. And the winner is Room Beats. That's funny. Room Beats, do you wanna take the win or you wanna pass it on to the next? Blackout News, this is a 50K Take Profit Trader account. There you go. That's what the giveaway is. 50K Take Profit Trader. Room Beat said pass it on to the next person. So let's draw again. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm sure Room didn't say that. All right, Room, are you here? Room wants me to start the timer. All right, Room, shoot me a message. You know how to contact me. That's really it, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate you guys sticking around. So we will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
You guys still here? You guys still here? In 19QZ, you just want an Apex account. In 19QZ, are you here? You just want an Apex, any size evaluation. If you're here, is in 19QZ here? Hold on there, Husk. You just want an Apex, any size evaluation in. Send me an email. methodicalman@gmail.com. Click on the top right-hand corner. Screenshot this showing me that you're logged into your YouTube account. And we'll get that account over to you. Alrighty. All right, guys. That's going to do it for me. We'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.